everyone, today I am going to make a video of a toucan bird. My name is Janet. You have seen me in another video of pizza making. So it's okay, you've seen me in the pizza making. First I will call my toucan bird. Her name is Lantern C. Let's begin. Lantern C, come on. She is a little shy of the camera, but it's okay. You all know it is a toucan bird of my pet toucan bird. Her name is Lantern C. Let's begin about the information of a toucan bird. Let's make the video. So first we will start. The toucan bird has its beak bigger than its body, and the rare thing of a toucan bird, it is colorful, but the rare toucan bird is black and white. And when a black and white toucan bird is seen, the back is covered with black only, and the white is covered, and the front is covered with white. The toucan bird has a black thing colored on the half of its beak, and some of the toucan bird has the color in some toucan birds has the black color in here, and with that and here also they has some black, but my toucan bird only has the color on the right side. So let's talk about a baby toucan bird. When an egg grows of a toucan bird, the toucan bird looks like a dinosaur, kind of a dinosaur, and then I mix it up. Yeah, and then it looks like a dinosaur, and the lower leg means the wings looks like an hands, and it was an hands, but when it grew up, the hands took a present of a wings, and the lower legs, when a toucan bird is a baby, it has legs like dinosaur and humans. Kind of a dinosaur. So and toucan bird's eye is close to the beak like mine. And a toucan bird has a very small tail. Not this small, because the toucan bird I have is now a little baby. Not a baby, it is big, but it has to be more big. And it is medium size, not like other birds. Toucan birds are very, very nice looking, and the toucan bird is cute, and the toucan bird's legs are like this. So bye bye and take care. And I have written a word of toucan in upper. So bye bye and take. Look, my toucan bird is making a little bye bye. Bye bye and take care. And I have given the word here. You can see toucan. Bye bye and take care.